Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're showing you how to use fences to create separate zones in your yard, transforming your outdoor space into a functional and organized oasis. Whether you want a private garden, a play area for kids, or a cozy dining space, fences can be the perfect solution for defining zones. It all starts with understanding your needs. Use low fences for gardens. For a garden, a low picket or decorative fence can set it apart without blocking visibility. It adds charm while keeping pets or kids out of your plants. Next, use tall fences for play areas. For a kid's play area, consider a taller fence to create a safe, contained space. Vinyl or wood options work well here, providing both privacy and security, creating an outdoor dining or lounging space. Semi-private fences, like horizontal slat or lattice designs, give you a cozy, intimate setting while maintaining airflow and light. Perfect for backyard dinners. Pet owners, this one's for you. Use a durable metal or vinyl fence to section off a pet area. It keeps your pets safe, and you can add some pet-friendly landscaping for their enjoyment. Blending different fence styles can help each zone stand out without looking cluttered. Match colors and materials to keep your yard looking cohesive and inviting. By defining zones with fences, you can maximize your yard's functionality and create a space everyone will enjoy. To recap, use low fences for gardens, tall fences for play areas, semi-private designs for dining, and durable materials for pet zones. With the right fences, you can make the most of every corner of your yard. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.